My dear viewers, welcome back and thank you. Today we are going to learn about 30 formulas in one single worksheet, and I'm calling this as formula wall around the data. Sounds interesting, is it? Good. Welcome. This will be useful right from the beginner to intermediary level of viewers who would like to see and practice themselves for their day-to-day need. I am now taking you through the details and the formulas used. Okay, there are three categories of data which I have used. Look at this. This one if I select it and zoom it for you, this is the one which is talking about the date ranges. Okay, there could be dates, months and also years. This is one set of data. The next one is the text portion. This is the text data. If I say it is a text range, okay, this is E to G. Okay, and then if you go to the next one, if I'm clicking on this range, that is H2. This is Hij, and the highlighted areas alone are the numbers or accounting data. So I have taken for our sample purpose, number 1 is the date, number 2 is the text, number 3 is the numbers. Okay, now let us see what are all the formulas which I have used and what for I have used. I'll come from left to right on the clockwise. Okay, number 1 is, you are able to see this here as 3, which is the formula for finding out number of years between the two dates. That means if you look at it, there are two dates here. If you look at it, there are two dates. Okay, now between these two dates, between 5/8/1995 and 4/1/1999, I want to find out what is the number of years, for which the formula is date difference, open bracket, C6 is the cell, first cell, and D6 is the second cell, comma, Y for number of years. This is the first formula, right? And then if I go to the top, I'm able to see age as on date. Okay, in this, if someone is born on 5th August 1995, and what would be his or her date as on date? So I have used this formula equals to date difference, C6 is equal to this particular date, followed by today. I have used another formula here. Okay, today open and close bracket will give you today's formula, followed by if you see Y, that means Y is equal to years, number of years. So you can find out the age. Okay, let me go to the text. I have replaced this Ronnie with Raja. Look at this. Rani is here. In which cell it is? F9. It is F9. F9 it is there. So Rani is here. I want to replace Rani with Raja. Not in terms of physical, but in terms of the spelling. Right. What is the formula which I have used is equals to replace. F9. Rani is F9, which we have seen a while ago. So I am going to use this formula, replace F9 comma from which character onwards. I am going to use or I'm going to replace from the third character onwards, that is Ra, Ni, Raja. So R-A-N-I. N is the third character and I is the fourth character. So I want to replace from third character, and how many characters I want to replace? I want to replace two characters. If you look at this formula very carefully, replace F9 3, that is third character onwards. How many characters? Two characters. And with what you want to replace? I want to replace those two characters with the characters of JA, text of JA. You know pretty well that the texts have to be given in double quotes, right? With that, equals to replace open bracket F9 comma 3 comma 2 comma in quotes JA and close bracket will give you the answer as Raja. So now you have replaced Rani with Raja here. Okay, let's get into another example onto the right side. Okay, probably I will look into two decimals. How will you round it off to the two decimals, right? Look at this formula here. It says equals to round and then followed by J6 comma 1. When it is two decimal, it is 1. Okay. Now the formula is equals to round. This is J6. This is J6. Okay. Now you are rounded off to two decimals. Two decimals. That means 76 will become 80. Otherwise, 0.76 will become 0.80. Right? It is two decimals. Right? Okay. Similarly, you can look into this average. Average is also the average of some range of cells. The formula is equals to average and then give the total range of the cells. You will get the answer as 49441 as the average. Okay. Now you have seen some samples. Now I would like to take you through with a real exercise so that you will be able to pick up. Okay. First, I am going to take this, copy, and I am going to paste this here. Okay. And I am going to find out what is the number of years. What is the formula? Equals to date difference open bracket first comma second date comma quotes y. You got 3. Excellent. Very good. And now you want to also see what is the difference in terms of number of days. In terms of number of days. You know what is the formula? Equals to date difference open bracket again the first date comma the second date and then comma followed by M for months. No, I'm sorry, D for D. Okay, I'm sorry about it. I will just change it. D. This is D. D for days. This is 10143 date. Of course, if you have pressed M also, that would have given you the month option, but it is a number of days what we need. So the answer is 10143. Okay, good. Let us get into another sample. This is text sample. Let us get into. Okay, I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to paste it here. The formula what I'm going to look at is okay, text. I'm going to say proper. Probably I will use the proper option. Proper in the sense everything should come in the sentence mode. If I take this Banu, Banu will become capital B and ANU. Okay, we are going to use equals to proper open bracket Banu and then close bracket. Now it will give you these small letters have become now the sentence letters here, right? Okay, let us also get into these numbers now. this one. Okay, now let us see what could be done. Count. Let us see what is the count. How many are there in this range? Let us take the count option. C-O-U-N-T, count. So equals to count, open bracket, then you can give this range. You will get the number of cells, that is 5. Okay, and then let us also see what is the minimum. What is the minimum of this? Equals to minimum of number 1 and number 2. Probably if it is disturbing you, you can just bring it here also. Now you can say min and okay. Now you will see 24820 is the minimum one. That means if you see, yes, 24820 is the minimum number in this case. Very good. Now I'll move this X and then I'll move it here so that I'll say it here minimum. Okay, good. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take 1. Okay, I will probably make this as round it off. This one 11,525. This one 11,525. I want to make it as rounded off to hundreds. Rounded off to hundreds. So what is the formula? Equals to round, open bracket, select this particular cell, comma, minus 2, if I remember right. Exactly, minus 2. Okay, now you have seen. Okay, probably what I will do, I will make this as fill color with gold accent 4. All the formulas I will fix it as gold accent 4. Okay, and then this one, why this is not taken place? Okay, this one I will make this one. I'll also make this one. Finally I will make this one also, right? If you want to make these things in a different way, since they are numbers, you can probably say number here. You can also probably say number here. Okay, you have got these answers. I will also give some borders here. Give some borders so that you will be able to appreciate the samples as well as the formulas and their respective needs. Okay, now that I'm going to complete with the sample exercise, right? Now look at, if you can look into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 samples I have done out of the 30 samples what I have committed, right? Now rest of the things I am leaving it to you as a practice, or typically a homework for you to practice based on the above formulas. I'm also going to share with you this Excel sheet so that whenever you are in doubt, you can refer to these areas. Okay, you can refer to these areas for your understanding how the formulas have been constructed, right? Once you have done your practice, please do share the file with me so that I'll be able to see and review and send in my comments. Thank you once again, and look forward to see you in my next video. Bye bye.